By the end of the video, we'll know your blueprint to success. Crafting a bodyweight workout plan. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your fitness journey. Crafting a bodyweight workout plan. Remember, the journey to a stronger, healthier you begins with a solid foundation. That's where bodyweight exercises come in. They're fantastic because they require no equipment and can be done anywhere, whether it's your backyard, your living room, or even at the park. So, let's get started. Here's how to create a customized bodyweight workout plan. 1. Start with the basics. Push-ups, squats, and sit-ups are great for beginners. Increase the repetitions as you progress. 2. Incorporate bodyweight exercises. Burpees, mountain climbers, and planks are just a few examples. Include these in your workout routine to challenge yourself further. 3. Add cardio. Jumping jacks, high knees, and mountain climbers are great cardio exercises that can help you burn calories and increase endurance. 4. Keep track. Track your progress using an app or just with a simple notebook. This will help you stay motivated and see your improvements over time. 5. Don't forget rest days. Allow your muscles time to recover after each session. This is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing results. Remember to stay consistent and patient with yourself. It takes time to build strength and endurance through bodyweight exercises, but trust the process and you'll reach your goals in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and hacks. Stay fit, stay strong.